Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of watching me and seeing my face, please subscribe to my channel, please. And don't forget to turn on post notification when you subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos whenever I upload. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about the Web3. Over the years, like since the beginning of time, or since the web was invented, we've experienced the evolution of the web, and it's been so exciting and it's been amazing. The journey has been worth it. So before I talk about the Web 1 to the Web 2 to the Web 3, I would love to make us understand what the web is. So the web, which is also known as, or for full, the World Wide Web, sometimes refers to as www, but that's like it's too long, so let's just go with the web. It is an interconnected network of pages and websites across the internet, invented by Sir Tim Berners-Lee. So I remember when I was in secondary school, preschool, I think that's what some people call it, we were we were always taught, or sometimes taught, about the history and the names of people who invented things and all those stuff. And I can remember in class one time we were learning about the web, the World Wide Web, and then our teacher would always say, "Cram this name or put it in your head. The web was invented by Sir Tim Berners-Lee in 1989." And then we'll summarize, we'll cram, we'll put it in our head because of exams time. That time I used to feel like, what's the use of all these things? Like, what do I want to use it for? Why should I know about him? Little do I know that today I'll be talking about him on my channel. Anyways, since the invention of the web, it has changed in the way we share ideas, in the way we communicate, in the way we conduct our businesses. Thanks to him, the early stages of the web was referred to as the Web 1. Now, in the Web 1, I'm going to try as much as I can to explain these things to be very simple and easy for us to understand. So the Web 1, most people refer to it as the read-only web. So the pages of the Web 1 are static, meaning that they are fixed, they are not updated, they do not change, they are just there. The main purpose of the Web 1 was just for passing of information, nothing else. So as a user, you come on the Web 1, you just come, you pack the information you came to look for, and then you go. There was no form of interaction whatsoever. That is why it's referred to as the read-only web. But then, as things began to improve, as the world began to evolve, we gradually moved from the Web 1 to the Web 2 in the 2000s. So the Web 2 became an updated version of the Web 1. It became a more English. It became a more participatory version of the Web 1. So like when growing up, you move from maybe a one-room apartment to a two-room. Now you are growing, you need more space, and then you are beginning to be a better version of yourself. And then from a two-bedroom apartment, maybe you move to a duplex, and maybe now you own an estate. That is how the web is or has been. So in the Web 2, which became a more interactive web, this time around, users don't just come and just read and go. Most people refer to it as the read write web. So this time around, people create content, people create things, and then share ideas, and then people come, watch, interact. Okay, I'm going to use this Web2 app. So now this is me creating a content. Hi, welcome to my channel. So please subscribe to my channel, and then you go ahead to subscribe to my channel. You have participated in something, we have interacted, and then I say, okay, please guys, share your comments in the comment section of what you think about this video, or tell me if I'm looking beautiful, and then you type in the comment section. We have interacted, right? Yes. So the Web 2 became more active, which is actually quite better and more fun. But now, slowly but surely, we are also transitioning to the Web 3. Think of the Web 3 like a virtual world, but this time around, you control this world. You have the power in your hands. You have the power at your fingertips. The Web3 emphasizes on artificial intelligence, which most people know as AI. So in case you don't know what AI is artificial intelligence. On artificial intelligence, on decentralized networks, and also machine to machine communication. So instead of relying on central authorities, the Web3 relies on the blockchain technology. Now I'm going to explain what the blockchain technology is. So the blockchain as a whole is a decentralized digital ledger used to store data and records data and all those stuff. So for those who did accounting or who did commercial subjects and all those stuff, you know what a ledger is. That stuff or that book or something that you use to store data, record them, and keep them for reference purposes or future purposes is a ledger. Well, for those who didn't do accounting, I think you know now what a ledger is. But then the blockchain is a digital ledger. But then it is decentralized. Now, because the blockchain is decentralized, it means that nobody has control over anyone's data. You have the control over your data. You have the power. It is secure, it is safe, it is private, it is for you and you alone. Without you giving the approval of maybe sending your data or for someone else to see your data or stuff like that, it will not happen. It is tamper proof. You know bulletproof, eh? You know waterproof. It is tamper proof, meaning that nobody can just come and tamper with your data whatsoever. So there's nothing like you maybe sitting to call your intermediary, your somebody that manages your stuff and be like, oh whoa, please, oh, I think somebody has removed so amount from this, or I think someone has tampered with my assets or something. No, you are rest assured that everything lies in your hands. It's just like you are the king of your own world. That should explain it. Apart from decentralization being the basic, the base, the foundation of the Web3, the Web3 also works on smart contracts. So smart contracts, they are self-executed rules. So it lives on the blockchain. It is the smart contract that make things happen automatically in the Web3. Another cool thing about the Web3 is the apps. So the Web3 apps are called the D apps, decentralized apps. So like I said earlier, the Web3, the foundation of the Web3 is decentralization. So basically, you're going to be hearing more of decentralized in the Web3. So the D apps, the decentralized apps, is just like a normal apps, the regular apps, but then this time it is a decentralized app and it is powered by the blockchain. Another exciting thing or feature that comes from or that happens in the Web3 is the decentralization it brings to the finance, which is also known as DeFi, decentralized finance. So any D you hear, D apps, it is decentralized apps, or DeFi, it is decentralized finance. There was a time where we had to queue to access our own assets, our cherished, the most cherished asset. There was a time we had to queue to access it. There was a time we had to call, we had to always make sure that we have connection to be able to access what we labored for. But then in the Web3, there is nothing like that. All financial freedom, all everything. In fact, the Web3 gives freedom, basically. The function of the DeFi is you'll be able to have access to your digital assets, your funds, without any intermediary, without any third party, without any whatsoever. And with this, your finance is also safe, it is also secure, it is also you don't have to worry whatsoever about it. The Web3 is set to empower, to reshape and build the world. So I feel like we should expect more from this. Like, I can't wait to maybe when I have exams my AI will go to my exam halls and write my exam for me. Well, I'm sure with the way we are going to push boundaries, and then it's going to be exciting. It's going to be worth it. Anyways, guys, I hope this video is not too long, and I hope you understand now what the Web3 is. So please, we are going to be having more of this kind of content. So please subscribe to my channel and also turn on post notification. Please, I'm begging. So please subscribe to my channel and turn on post notification. Very important, so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first to know. So thank you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Mwah.